Lancezilla. Look, look, it's like some sort of gopher prairie dog.
Go hibernate.
Wait. No, don't run away from me. Don't run away.
Oh my gosh, why is there a bowl?
Look at it. It's adorable. Oh, so cute.
Look at us.
Zoom in, zoom in. I'm zoomed in as far as I can go.
Yeah, I'm taking pictures of the habitat.
Oh, that's adorable.
Oh, look at them do it together.
They're so cute.
They love each other.
Jack, John, look at these dimensions.
So
They're
cute.
so cute. Oh, he's staring at me.
Lance, make some questions about it.
Why do you stand?
Yeah, why do you stand up?
No, questions about these.
Why do they
feel threatened.
burr holes
Yeah.
in the ground?
Make
Dude, they're all
questions
together.
about,
That's like cute.
Oh, they're adorable.
Well, do you have a pencil?
I do not have a pencil.
Do you have a pencil, Josh?
No.
It's 1 minute.
Do you have a phone?
No. We need to write down things.
I can write it. I can type it in my.
By the way, this is Lance.
Lance, what are you guys doing?
That's Slim, and that's Josh.
They're just kind of typing. None of our animals will probably be
Picture
here.
time, it's picture time.
Oh,
No, it's picture time.
He's
I can answer it.
Look.
And say because they do.
lion.
Why are there so many trees
Lion.
inside
Hey,
the
he's
habitat?
napping. He's so cute. And she's so cute too. Oh, little kitty cats. Big kitty cats. I was joking.
Kids kind of eat your face off.
Yeah, they can kind of eat my face
Can't
off.
eat them up, isn't
He's sleeping. That one's not on the prowl. Gonna bite your face off, chomp.
Okay.
guys, I gotta get a picture of
Lance.
this.
There's a leopard. I don't know if you can see him real well, but there he is. He's caged off.
Where's the
Can we ask
jaguar?
why there aren't high walls on this cage? Or should we say, wait.
Leopard! Brrr. Tiger! Oh, you see him? And his beauty?
Yeah, I can see why they would almost be able to jump across that ditch.
Yeah, you're so big. No. Don't run away from me. Dang it. Look. Birdies. Making funny sounds. And the gazelle. Check those gazelle out. Bird. Gazelle. Bird. Gazelle. Bird. Gazelle.
Critically endangered.
They look like zonkies, but they're that.
Let's ask where they poop at.
Look at the zonkey thing, simoleon thing. It's a giraffe. Look at the giraffe, and some antelope thing, and some ostriches.
Ostriches are common.
Ostrich. Yeah, you peck that dust from your feathers. What you looking at? Hehe, derping zebra.
What's that? Zebra?
Derp.
Did you say derping zebra? It's a giraffe.
Whatever. Don't judge me. I don't know English.
Oh, these are the reticulated giraffe.
Whatever. Derping giraffe.
Hey, look what he's got on his coat. Hey, look at his coat. Look.
Antelope. Giraffe. Ostrich. Giraffe.
Dude, the head
Antelope.
neck is like so
Giraffe.
skinny, the head's so
Ostrich.
tiny.
Ostrich. Giraffe. Antelope.
It's like
It thinks that it is a lawnmower. Look. It is a lawnmower.
Look at this thing.
his friend's coming over like, what are you doing? It's doing it too. What are they doing?
They are mowing the grass with their horns. Oh, they're battling it out. You go, bro. You go. Fight to the death.
Aren't they both girls? No, one of them.
Fight. Fight to the death. Nope. Big one wins. Now he gets to mow the grass.
Josh kind of sitting there staring like, you guys
Heh. Oh, now he's cold.
Look how tiny the legs on that thing.
I know, it's like
Tiny legs. Ostrich.
it scares me.
Dun dun. Ba ba.
Oh, I think they're
I'm on the prowl. I'm gonna bite your face off.
Well, what's in that?
Oh yeah, they're not.
It looks like it's about to just pounce its head out and bite somebody.
Giraffe. Yep. Look at it. It looks like a zebra, but it's mostly related to the giraffe.
Guys, look, a free hat.
Look at its tongue. It just like swoops it.
Probably shouldn't take that.
A free hat.
Yeah.
Dun dun dun. Free hat.
It's diseased. You get AIDS. So we found an antelope.
Thing but. But. Camel. You guys can't smell it, but it really stinks over here. Look at that.
Camels were elephants.
No, there's a sign of an elephant back there. It's right there. See? Shh. Shh. Camel.
Southern
Zebras. Zebra. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a zebra over there. And there's the zebra right there. Oh, its face is blocked.
Guys, they mark off their territory with shit walls.
Zebra. Dun dun dun. One of these things is not like the other. Leopard. Let's get a better view of him. He's napping. Big kitty. He's so furry. Furry. I walk the line.
But I'd be so
I walk
depressed.
the line.
Da, 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 da.
Look at him. He's the total boss. He's parkouring all over the place. No.
Dude.
Oh, he disappeared. He's a
Wait,
ninja.
can you go over here too?
He's a ninja. No, he can't go over there. He's a ninja. He's a ninja tiger. That's exactly what he is.
Oh.
Josh. And Slim. And me.
And that kid.
Look.
Look at that.
Look at it. Where is it? Hey. Hey. Hey.
Squirrel.
Hey. Come back here. I have to get you on video. Come back. I have to get you on video.
You're an idiot.
Yeah. Where'd he go? Can't see him, dang. He's right back there. Nope. Oh, he's gone. That sucks. That was a squirrel. Ducks. There are ducks. Ducks. Oh, so many. There's so many.
Oh God, I want to catch
It's an ambush.
the water and catch them.
Ambush. Look at them. That one's really pretty. Where are they? They're over there. That's where they are. There's some mallard drakes and some mallard females, and I don't know what that one is. I shall name him Steve, or Fox. His name is Fox because he looks like a red fox. Female mallard hens and mallard drakes, and some geese over there. There's the geese. There's so many. Seal.
3 feet deep there, so that's like that deep.
Yeah, but then all that water.
Hi, Mom. That's Ian.
Hi, 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 hi.
That's Jack. I'm in here. Seal.
Okay, first of all, take a look at the safety feature you're all standing next to.
Safety feature.
Fence, and then look what's right on the other side of fence.
Trench.
Space.
There's
Don't
space.
put your fence right next to the exhibit because then people can actually mess with the animals. So you have space between. We got little steps here and rocks where people can go down and clean up any trash and stuff like that. Yeah.
Does it also prevent the animals from escaping?
It does help that aspect. Yeah, very good.
Lizards.
I got some questions here.
Lizards.
Look at it up there.
All right, do we see anything?
Snake. Turtle. Turtle. It's a lizard.
Tortoises in the background.
That's the lizard that it is. Turtles.
They look like rocks.
So many turtles.
They're not turtles, they're tortoises.
Be quiet. Don't correct me, girl. I'm making a montage. It's a tortoise.
It's a gara.
False Garia.
It's got a long mouth.
It's in danger. And it's
Okay, I'm
sleeping.
taking a picture of it.
What is that picture? Killed it right
That's what it is. Monkey. Lemur. Monkey lemur. More monkeys. That monkey's the best monkey of all. He's got his tail.
He got an itch.
Alright, so compare this to the last house we were just in. How much enrichment do we have here?
More,
More. Why?
because they're playful animals.
Playful animals and they're
Smarter.
smarter.
They don't have to sit in one place to regain their heat.
Yeah, they don't have to sit and chill underneath that heat lamp. They can go
Monkey.
do things whenever they want. Now, feeding wise, like those buckets that are in there. Why are they there?
So fast.
So you can put food in without opening the door.
Two
Possibly.
monkeys. Look at the pretty birdie. Pretty birdie. More pretty birdie. Bird. Birdie birdie. Crane. That's a crane actually. It's a crane. Monkey. It's a Pacifica. Pacifica monkey. Nom nom nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom.
Look at him just sitting on that tree thinking.
Sup, bro? You being a bro? You're such a bro.
Dude, he's definitely a bro.
Yeah, he's definitely a bro. That's Jordan.
Hey, Lance.
That's a Jordan. Civica. Nom nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom nom nom. Nom 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 nom. I'm making a monkey montage. Nom 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 nom. Oh, that's amazing.
You're a human.
That's just not. Oh,
No, we're done.
so adorable. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Yeah, you eat that. You eat that, you chubby little furry dog. No. Hey, you want to be in my monkey montage? Monkey montage.
You're recording?
Sup, bro? You're such a bro. Monkeys. Monkey butt. Monkey.
Over here, real quick, group.
Oh, look at the cute little. I mean, they're gonna see those.
Tiny monkey. Tiny monkey. Monkey. There's a lion. There's twin lions. Then another lion. Lots of lions going on here.
What is that?
Mr. Gary.
Zebra. Zebra.
They're not stripes, they're pigments.
No grass.
I know. It's their skin.
Black, white
Even if they
stripes.
wanted to grow grass there, they could.
They're white.
They're white with black stripes.
Yeah.
Zebras would just feed it.
That's
On that
Nick.
second tree. So the middle's easy,
Nick,
the
look
top and
up.
bottom aren't. Yes, Noah.
Is it true that ostriches keep their heads underground?
Yay, it's John.
Yeah. They have very high blood pressure, if that's what you mean. You have to have high blood pressure to get that going up to the top of their head. Yeah.
Kangaroos. Kangaroos. Giraffe.
Why the separation
finger. Giraffe. Giraffe. Look at that alligator snapping turtle.
Look,
It looks like Bowser.
Look at those worms.
Bowser's younger cousin.
In the bowl.
That's gross. What's in that? That's just gross. Bowser. What else is here? There's like a bird.
Train! Oh my god!
Train.
Look at the duck. The duck.
Yep. And then below us there's water.
Don't drop it.
It's a gorilla playing the drums.
That was awesome.
Gorilla. What the heck? He's Michelangelo. He's a total just like hipster monkey. Best gorilla, Donkey Kong. Hey.
I'm right here.
No.
There's a gorilla showdown.
Do not choose your harassing animals. You are right in
Gorilla. Do something interesting. Oh.
If you beat your chest
Hey. Hey. Hey, bro.
Hey, bro.
You're such a bro.
Come over here.
Yes, come over here.
You stank. You stank. Take a bath.
He's born. Flamingos. Flamingos. Look at the bear. It's a big bear. Bear. It's a big grizzly bear. Penguins. Penguins. Ride home. This is the ride home. That's him. Nick.
What's up, man? Hey, Sam.
That's Sam.
Lance's montage. How was your day at the zoo,
Yeah.
Sam?
It's my flippity day. Hello.
Get a list,
You guys are all going on YouTube.
Wait, what is this?
YouTube.
What was that?
YouTube.
Santi, you're going on YouTube.
YouTube.
Sam. Me too. My parents work here.
That's the big city. Cars. And radio towers. And trains. The Amtrak. That's the Amtrak right there. Oh! There it goes.
Get a video, Cody. Get a video on Cody.
And the rest of the people in the bus.
Hey, how about that bus driver? How about that bus driver?
I don't know. Let me zoom in on him. Oh, my flip's
Zoom in on
almost dead.
He's so Alyssa was in the group.
Hey, by the way,
I'm already in his
you guys are now on YouTube.
Oh.
You're welcome.
What? I want to be on YouTube.
Bye, bros. Like and subscribe if you want. It's your choice. Yep.